Hi all, let's learn something about NVM, Node Version Manager. Node Version Manager is a tool which helps us in switching the node versions from one version to the other versions. It means we can run multiple versions of the node in a single instance. So let's see an real-time example where it helps us. For example, in my mission, if I wanted to work on two projects where the AngularJS older version and the React.js new version. For these both projects, I need to have two different node versions because AngularJS would work on Node 9. It was built on Node 9 version, so I need to work on Node 9 of AngularJS version. And for React.js, it needs to have minimal more than Node 10 version. So I need to have two different node versions to work on these two different projects. So every time I can't uninstall one of the node version to work for other project. So this is the reason NVM helps us. It with a single command, I can switch from one node version to another node version, and I can work on other project. So this is one of the real-time example, and the other one is if I'm trying to develop one library, which I wanted to publish this to the npm registry. Now I need to check this library works for minimal major versions of the Node.js. So in that case also, I can keep my library and I can switch to the major versions of the Node.js and I can test my library so that I can publish this library to the npm registry. So let's see all this in practical. So I will show you how to install this in Windows, like NVM Windows releases. If you click this in search this in Google and click the first link, so you can get here you can get the version of NVM setup zip file. If you download this zip file, you will be getting one executable file. If you run that executable file, NVM would be installed in your machines. So this is for Windows, how to install. So coming to the Mac and Linux, open a terminal and this is the curl command, and we also have wget command to install NVM. I will be posting that in the description or the comment box. So once it is installed, so we need to check whether it was installed or not, like nvm hyphen version. So this is the what we need to understand. So now we can understand nvm was installed in my machine. So let's check nvm ls. It means it will give it will list all the node.js versions which are installed in my machine. So now I will use another command, ls remote. It will give all the Node.js versions which are available in the npm registry. So these many node versions are available for us. So so if you check, so these many node versions are available. So let me install one node version, one older node version. Like I will go with 10 to 10.22.0. Okay, like nvm install. I can install any of the node version like this. Nvm install 10.22.0, the node version. If you give the node version, that particular node version of node would be installed here. So if you mention nvm install node, the latest version of the node would be installed. Like I will show that. Like if you click nvm install node, the latest version of the node would be installed. If you mention any of the versions specific to node, so that related a node version would be installed. So now here I will show you how to switch. So here I have multiple versions, 10.22, 12.9, 13.10, 14.9, like that. So I will switch from one node version to the another node version. Before that, I will show in which node version right now. I'm using 10.22 right now. So just I will switch from 10.22 to 14.10. So now if you observe, now again I will run which node version I'm using. So see, before I'm switching, so I can use for React.js, for AngularJS, I can use this version, and after that I can switch with a single command, nvm use the particular version command, and I can switch to that particular node version, and here I can run my React application. In this way nvm helps us a lot. Also we can give alias names. We no need to remember this version exactly. So for example, if I give AngularJS 10.22.0, so I'm giving another name for this 10.22.0 as AngularJS. So just for my remembrance. So from the next time, I can give nvm use AngularJS. So in this way, I'm aliasing the version with the AngularJS name. So now I would be switched back to the 10.22 version. So this is how the NVM helps us, NVM alias works. So one more thing we have in NVM, like a node -v, we have a file called .nvmrc. So if any of the project has this .nvmrc file, and the node version would be specified in this file. So for example, if we deploy our application in the server, and if we give this file in the server at the root level, and we need to mention the respective node version, so then server can understand, it will pick the node version which was specified in this file. So this file looks very straightforward, like we can see this would be very straightforward. There would be nothing here, like see, the version would be present 10.22.6. Only the version of the node would be present uh, in this file, nothing more than that. So that's all about NVM. Hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching.